ideaForge and drone nerds collaborate to bring advanced UAV technology to public safety agencies. India's ideaForge Technology Limited, in partnership with its drone distribution and services provider Drone Nerds, has introduced the Q6V3 UAV to the U.S. market. This next generation drone is engineered to meet the complex demands of public safety agencies, enabling greater precision and safety in critical missions. The Q6V3 is a versatile quadcopter equipped with advanced features, making it suitable for operations such as emergency response, disaster relief, surveillance, and firefighting. It integrates cutting edge technology into a lightweight, portable design for optimal performance in the field. Key features of the Q6V3 UAV. The Q6V3 UAV delivers an optimized flight time of over 50 minutes, ensuring sustained performance in demanding scenarios. It features quick deployment capabilities and includes dual O/IR payloads, making it effective for day and night operations. Public safety teams can benefit from the drone's native compatibility with Bluefire Live, an optional add-on for live video streaming and multi-user payload control. This system supports seamless integration with command and control centers, improving real-time decision-making through open standards and protocols. Jeremy Schneiderman, CEO of Drone Nerds, highlights the Q6V3's impact. The Q6V3 represents a leap forward in UAV technology for public safety. With its advanced features and high portability, it gives first responders and security teams the tools they need to tackle challenges with greater precision and safety. We're proud to bring this innovative solution to our customers. Supporting public safety and critical missions, the Q6V3 UAV is built to handle a wide range of operations, including border security, firefighting, and disaster management. Its rugged and low maintenance design ensures reliability in demanding conditions. The adaptable platform empowers public safety agencies with a dependable tool to achieve operational excellence. Ankit Mehta, CEO of ideaForge, underscores the company's vision. Our focus has always been on developing next generation UAV solutions that enhance operational efficiency. With the Q6V3, we've taken another step toward empowering public safety organizations with technology that provides unmatched reliability and performance for critical missions. About the company's ideaForge Technology Limited, headquartered in India, ideaForge specializes in unmanned aerial systems for defense, security, and public safety. The company has completed over 550,000 flights and was ranked fifth globally as a top dual-use drone manufacturer in 2023 by Drone Industry Insights. Drone Nerds, founded in 2014, Drone Nerds focuses on providing customized UAV solutions for a variety of industries, including public safety, government, and energy. Its Always Flying trademark program ensures reliability for enterprise clients. The Q6V3 UAV sets a new standard for public safety operations, offering advanced technology tailored to the unique needs of first responders and security teams. This collaboration between ideaForge and Drone Nerds brings a valuable asset to the U.S. market, driving innovation and enhancing mission readiness.